We find the artists that we represent always get a very wonderful reception. We found that the community in Victoria has been remarkably supportive towards the arts. My name is Michael Warren. I'm the director of Madrona Gallery. We specialize in contemporary and historical Canadian art. We represent artists obviously with a strong BC focus because this is where we are and I find people love here. But also nationally and internationally recognized Canadian artists. We realize that not everybody's only going to like abstract or only going to like landscape, and so we find having a very balanced approach in terms of how we build our stable of artists allows us to really see the most out of the response that Victoria has to offer. We've tried to create a space that is very welcoming and engaging, and you know, the one thing we always want, and our philosophy here is we want people to engage with the art and to feel welcome to ask questions and participate with what's going on in the gallery. Well, I think people in Victoria are very receptive to the arts because they're usually pretty well educated, they've led very interesting lives, and they're keen not only on building a good life for them in terms of their personal family life, but also engaging in the community and really wanting to live somewhere that is vibrant and alive and you know, always has something new to offer. I find running a business downtown is amazing. You know, downtown Victoria as a place to do business is it's vibrant, it's engaging, and it's always unexpected. But I find, especially within the last decade, downtown Victoria has really stepped up in a way. I find with the amount of development that's gone on downtown, there's so many more people downtown after regular business hours, and so it creates an awareness of what's going on and just more people around. So there's a real liveliness, and so it's a really fun place to do business.